Alright guys, welcome back to the Boosted Ride YouTube channel. As you can see, we've got a lot of parts here that we're going to do for a final, hopefully final fitment on the truck. Stay tuned. Alright, so we're going to start off here with our two catch cans for the driver's and passenger valve cover. Also, we have the Canton overflow tank for the radiator. We got our headers, and they're all welded up. We just got to put the O2 bungs in there, which we'll do in this video. Also got our red top Optima battery there. And as you can see, we've got our radiator support all welded, painted, and it's bolted in. So we're ready to test fit this stuff, like I said, hopefully for the last time. Went ahead and got these catch cans mounted up, coolant. This will be connected to the valve cover there. We've got a hose coming, radiator cap. Got the radiator all mounted in there. Optima battery and the passenger side catch can. And headers are on. So now we'll go ahead and open up the packages we got in the mail today. We got jigs, speedway, motion, and also something else in that we'll open up as well. Got everything opened up here. We've got fittings for the power steering pump, along with the fitting for the back of the pump. This will go to our catch can. Also have a OEM style transmission, just rubber mount instead of the solid mount we have. Also got some front lug nuts. Washers are in the back. Got a remote battery terminal that we're going to use. Ground strap. Finally got a transmission dipstick. This is a low car, just like the transmission dipstick. A couple radiator hoses we'll try there. And a brake line kit with tabs. And most importantly, we picked these up from Jigs. They're a 4-point retro belt, so look like an old style to match the truck. And we got 3 sets of those, and just in case you want a driver and passenger and maybe somebody to sit in the middle right by the shifter, I suppose, if they can straddle it. So let's go ahead and start putting some of this stuff on and trying it out. So it is a new day here at the shop. We went ahead and, as you've seen in those last clips, actually got all the hoses installed. So now we are going to put some coolant in there. Got our catch can hoses made on the passenger side here, a 90 and a 45. And then we just did a straight to a straight on this side and curved it up here by the radiator. So that's all good to go. We do have some stuff showing up today for the hose. Got the cap, all that stuff on. Got the dipstick installed as well. I don't think we showed that. But dipstick's installed, ground strap. So now let's actually go through some of the parts we just picked up this morning. Got a belt here, the other one was missing. Didn't get ordered or something. Oil for the rear end, oil filter. We got some VR1 2050 and a couple gallons of antifreeze that we need to mix down. So let's go ahead and keep plugging away. Maybe we can change the oil, get the coolant in, and then also we can install. The brake lines were wrong. We needed metric. These were standard thread 7/16, so we've got some 10 1.5 hoses coming. Also got this transmission mount we can install. So let's set up the GoPro and let's just keep plugging away. Alright guys, that's a wrap on today's video. We did get a lot of things done, just things were quick, moved right along. We got the radiator hoses all installed. We did get the coolant all topped off. We did get the actual dipstick installed, as you've seen. Got the oil change, so all that's good. The oil looked good, so we're ready to go there. And started working on the power steering line. I'm waiting on one more fitting here to finish off this hose. Rear end's filled up. The only major thing that we have to do at this point is actually work on that passenger side wheel tub there. So we've got this one done on the driver's side. But yeah, that's one thing that does need to be done. So we have a list of things that we're working on here, of major things on the list, some things minor. But we have here a list. I'm sure this will expand. This is just kind of main things that we thought about. Windows were a big one to me. I do have a brand new front windshield coming next week from Precision Glass, and rims. I did get rims accomplished today. So hopefully my brother is able to get those picked up today or tomorrow, and we can drill those out for the 5/8 drag studs. That way we can fit those up. Got some tires coming for this thing that I think are going to make a heck of a show. So comment down below anything, questions, comments, anything, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Like, comment, share, subscribe.